Hi guys, this is Mrs. Mason. I am going to teach you how to edit videos using WeVideo. So hopefully you had already done this part of the process where you took 5 pictures and they're on your computer right now, and you also took a 10-second action video. And then you should have logged into WeVideo, went to WeVideo, and you also signed in using your Google account. So now we are on this slide here, and you're going to first add a folder into your account so that you can put all of your media into that folder. So this is your kind of dashboard, your WeVideo dashboard, to add your media into WeVideo. That is called uploading, because currently your media is on your computer, it's on your PC, and saved to that, and you're going to upload it up into WeVideo. So you're going to come over here where it says uploads, and go ahead and click that. And then we're going to come here to create folder. Go ahead and just title this, create a folder, just title it, let's just say practice video. Oops. I'm really big on capitalizing things. This is a title, so the P and the V should be capitalized. So you can go ahead and hit create when you're done with that. So you should see your folder right here. All right, now we actually want to put our media in that folder. So you're going to click on the folder. You can see right here, there's the title of your folder so that you know that you are in your practice video folder. And we're going to come here to where it says add media. And then you're going to hit upload. And then you're going to hit browse to select. All right, when you take pictures using your camera from your computer, you should be able to find them in your pictures folder over here. If for some reason you don't see that over here, you might have to scroll up or down. But if you're scrolling and you still don't see it, just hold on a second. I'll tell you what to do. For those of you that do see the picture folder, you're going to go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to want to find your camera roll folder right there. You should be able to open that by double clicking on it like so. Okay, if you were unable to find your picture folder or your camera roll folder, you are going to go to this PC and just click it. And then right here where it says search this PC, try typing in camera. See, mine came up. Well, it did a second ago. Let me try it again. Did I spell camera wrong? Of course I did. Sorry, ignore that. Camera roll. So as soon as I typed in CAM, you can see my camera roll pops up here. And hopefully, if you can't find it the way I just showed you, you can find it that way. Your 5 images and your videos should be in this camera roll folder. If you have, well, I'm going to teach you a little trick here. What you can do to select multiple images or videos at the same time. Hold down the control key, and as you keep holding it this whole time, as I'm holding down the control key, it just allows me to click the media that I want to put in there. So go ahead now, hold down the control key, click the 5 images and the 1 video that you want to go into WeVideo, and you're going to go ahead and click open. Do that now. Okay, the videos and the pictures will begin importing, and then you can see mine. Oops, actually nope, I'm still waiting on one to import, so I'm going to pause you again. Hold please. All right, looks like all of my media has been uploaded. Once that happens, you can go ahead and click on the X here to close that out, and then you can see here's all the media that I uploaded. Now, the next step on this slide, step number 3, is you're going to go ahead and title everything. If you haven't taken me yet for computer applications, when you do take me, you will hear me talk a lot about organization and the importance of titling things. So here's how you title things. This one here, this one's my video. You can tell because it's got a time limit right here. So you're going to go ahead to title this. I believe you can just right click. So go ahead and right click. Just kidding, I lied. You're actually going to hit those 3 dots right there. Sorry guys, my bad. And then just hit rename. For your action video, just title that action vid, and then hit rename. And then for each of your pictures, same thing. You're just going to come to the 3 dots, hit rename, Let's just call these pick 1, rename, and then I'm going to do this one pick 2, rename, and then this one's going to be pick 3, pick 4, and pick 5. Go ahead now and rename all of the media that is currently in WeVideo. And that, after you finish that step, you'll be ready to move on to the next slide.